Planning a trip to Barcelona on a budget? Welcome to the ultimate guide that will help you experience the Catalan capital in all its glory without leaving a hole in your pocket. We'll delve into how to find affordable, yet comfortable accommodations, unveil secrets to bypassing those pesky queues at popular attractions, and reveal the top 5 hidden gems known only to locals. We'll also share recommendations for mouth-watering food and drink, and give you 3 ideas for day trips to explore beyond Barcelona. Stay tuned to discover how to make the most of your Barcelona trip without breaking the bank. Accommodation can make or break your budget, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's talk about your options for budget-friendly places to rest your head after a day of exploring the vibrant city of Barcelona. The first option that comes to mind is hostels. Barcelona is bursting with a variety of hostels that cater to different tastes. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking a social atmosphere, or you're traveling with a group and prefer a more private setting, there's a hostel for you. On average, a private room for 2 costs around 150–200 euros per night, while a bed in a dorm facility will be around 35–40 euros per night. Next on the list are budget hotels. Don't be fooled by the term budget. These hotels might be light on your wallet, but they certainly don't skimp on comfort and convenience. Many are centrally located, offering easy access to public transportation, and include amenities like Wi-Fi and daily housekeeping. A standard room for 2 in a small hotel in the central part of Barcelona will cost you around 200 euros a night. If you're looking for a home away from home, consider holiday rentals. Websites like Airbnb offer a plethora of options, from cozy studio apartments to spacious lofts. With a holiday rental, you'll have the chance to live like a local, and perhaps even save some money by cooking your own meals in a fully equipped kitchen. Additionally, Airbnb offer good value for your money as a small apartment, currently run for 180–200 euros a night. Now, we all know that the early bird gets the worm, and this saying couldn't be more accurate when it comes to booking accommodation. The earlier you book, the better the deals you'll find. This is especially true if you're visiting during peak tourist season, which in Barcelona is from May to August. Another tip is to compare prices online. Use comparison websites such as Trivago, Kayak, or Hotels Combined to check the rates across different platforms. This might take a bit of time, but trust me, your bank account will thank you later. Lastly, consider your location. Staying in the city centre might be more expensive, but it could save you time and money on transportation. Conversely, if you don't mind a bit of a commute, staying outside the city centre could score you a fantastic deal. Here are some interesting neighbourhoods to consider. Let's start with Barrio Gotico. This neighbourhood is ideal if you are looking for an immersive cultural experience. Our next stop is Borne, just next to Barrio Gotico. Borne's charming medieval streets are known for their chic cafes and boutiques during the day, and martini bars and samba at night. If you're looking for a summer vibe and chill atmosphere, perhaps your ideal staying location is in the Barceloneta area. But keep in mind that Barceloneta gets busy and expensive in the summer, so if you would like to stay there, consider it throughout the rest of the year. L'Eixample is a central district in Barcelona, known for its busy nightlife. An iconic location for people from all walks of life is Plaça de Catalunya. The charming neighborhood of Gracia is famous for its 19th-century boulevards and pedestrian streets, where you can spend a day wandering among indie stores, galleries, and boutiques. Evenings will be special too, particularly if you are a cinema lover, as Gracia is known for its art house cinemas. Remember, the earlier you book, the better the deal. And with these tips, you're sure to find a comfortable and affordable place to stay in the heart of Barcelona. Links for more information on Barcelona's neighborhoods in the description below. Hate standing in line? We've got some tips to help you skip the queues. Barcelona, with its vibrant history and stunning architecture, is a bustling tourist hotspot. But don't fret. There are ways to bypass the long lines and dive straight into the experience. Let's get started. Firstly, consider purchasing tickets online. This is a lifesaver. Websites for major attractions like La Sagrada Familia and Park Güell offer this option. You can choose your visiting time, pay, and voila, you've skipped the queue. Next, think about visiting during off-peak hours. Barcelona's attractions are less crowded early in the morning or late in the afternoon. It's a great time to beat the rush and enjoy a more serene experience. Plus, the lighting for your photos will be just divine. And here's a golden nugget for you: combo tickets. These are tickets that allow access to multiple attractions at a discounted price. Not only do you save money, but you also avoid multiple lines. It's a win-win situation. Remember to plan your visits wisely. Weekends, especially, can be more crowded. Aim for weekdays when possible. And if you're visiting in the peak summer months, an early morning visit will save you from both the queues and the scorching sun. With these tips, you'll spend less time waiting and more time exploring. Check out the links in the description below to learn more about the various ticket deals. Ready to discover Barcelona like a local? Let's explore some hidden gems. First on our list is the secret garden of the Horta Labyrinth Park, tucked away in the Horta Guinardó district. Known for its tranquil atmosphere, this neoclassical garden is a maze of cypress trees leading to a statue of Eros, the Greek god of love. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. The entrance fee is minimal, just €2.50, but admission is free on Wednesdays and Sundays. Next, we have the Hospital de Saint-Paul. While not exactly hidden, this gem is often overlooked by tourists. Its stunning modernist architecture is a sight to behold. It was once a working hospital, but now serves as a museum and cultural center. The entrance fee is about €15, but it's worth every penny. Our third gem is the El Raval neighborhood. This vibrant and diverse area is a melting pot of cultures, full of fascinating street art, unique shops, and local eateries. It's a great place to wander and soak up the local atmosphere, and it won't cost you a dime. Next up is the Mercat de la Boqueria off the beaten path. This bustling food market offers a feast for the senses. Here you can sample local delicacies like jamon iberico and manchego cheese, or buy fresh produce to cook up your own Spanish feast. Prices vary, but you can grab a bite for as little as €1. Finally, we have the lesser-known beach of Nova Icaria. It's a bit quieter than the popular Barceloneta beach and offers a peaceful spot for sunbathing, swimming, or simply enjoying the view. And the best part? It's absolutely free. These hidden gems will give you a unique and authentic Barcelona experience. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for additional information. Hungry for some local cuisine? Here's where to eat and drink on a budget. First things first, let's talk tapas. These bite-sized Spanish delicacies are a must-try. Head over to El Zampagnet in the El Borne district. This family-run tapas bar has been around for over a century, offering a menu that's both delicious and easy on the wallet. Want to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant food scene? La Boqueria Market is a feast for the senses. From fresh fruits to savory sausages, it's a food lover's paradise. Grab a quick bite from one of the many food stalls or pick up ingredients for a picnic. For an affordable sit-down meal, visit Can Margaret in Poble Sec. Known for its rustic charm and hearty Catalan dishes, it's a favorite among locals. Try the rabbit with snails or the botifarra sausage. Let's not forget about drinks. Barcelona is famous for its vermouth, and Bodega Maestrazo in Gracia is an excellent place to sample it. Pair your drink with their assortment of cheeses and cold cuts for a flavorful experience. Finally, for those with a sweet tooth, Churreria Layetana is a must-visit. Serving up the best churros in town, it's the perfect place to indulge without breaking the bank. Don't forget to try the local delicacies. They're a treat for your taste buds. Want to explore beyond Barcelona? Check out these day trip ideas. First on our list is the charming seaside town of Sitges, just a 40-minute train ride from Barcelona. It's a delightful blend of old-world charm and modern, vibrant energy. Here you can stroll along the beautiful beaches, explore the quaint old town, and enjoy a leisurely meal at a seaside cafe. Next up, immerse yourself in the surreal world of Salvador Dali in Figueres. This is where you'll find the Dali Theatre Museum, a stunning testament to the artist's unique and imaginative vision. You can reach Figueres by train in about 2 hours, and the round-trip fare is roughly €20. Finally, why not venture to Montserrat, a spectacular mountain range with an ancient monastery nestled among its peaks. A 1-hour train journey will get you there, and the round-trip fare, including the cable car ride up the mountain, is around €25. Once there, you can hike the trails, visit the monastery, or simply soak in the breathtaking views. Remember, these are just suggestions. The beauty of travel is in creating your own unique journey. So whether you choose to follow these recommendations or carve out your own path, rest assured that these day trips will add an extra dimension to your Barcelona adventure. There you have it. A budget-friendly trip to Barcelona is totally possible. We've discovered affordable accommodation options that don't skimp on comfort, found ways to dodge the long lines at popular attractions, and unearthed the city's hidden gems that only locals know about. We've savored the delectable cuisine and indulged in refreshing beverages, all while keeping our wallets happy. And let's not forget about the day trips, the perfect chance to explore beyond the city's borders and immerse ourselves in the rich culture of the surrounding regions. Remember, traveling on a budget does not mean compromising on quality or experiences. In fact, it can lead to more authentic and memorable adventures. Barcelona is a city that invites exploration, celebrates diversity, and rewards the curious traveler. With a little planning and these helpful tips, €1,000 can go a long way. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable Barcelona adventure.